Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you exactly how I got this blooming gel set right here from start to finish. I'm going to start off with some long coffin tips and this Born Pretty gel number JN64. So this is one of their jelly nudes and it has a little bit of a shimmer through it. It's absolutely gorgeous and it's a lovely base color for something like that. It's more on the brown side, so they have a lovely pink one that's one of my favorites. This one is kind of like the same as that, but it's brown. So I'm just decided to use the brown one for this set right here. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this to start off. And then I'm going to go in with my design. So I'm just going to let you watch me do a little time lapse of these 2 coats. And I also have a discount code for Born Pretty, so I will link it in the description. It's for 10% off. And if you want to click on that, it will automatically apply the 10% at the checkout. So I'm just going to let you watch the second coat here and I'll be back in a second with the rest of the design. So you can see there the coverage in just 2 coats. It's perfect for a design like this or maybe even a French base. And then I'm going to grab some blooming gel. So the blooming gel that I have is the Macarte blooming gel and I'm going to go in with a thin coat of this one, not too thick. The colours I'm going to use for Madame Glam are the Core, Lotus Fever, and then I'm also going to grab the Gel Bottle Inks Miami just for the nice vibrant pink. And this is how the tips are looking. I'm going to start off with the nice thin layer of blooming gel. It's very hard with blooming gel. You want to do a full coverage. You don't want to have any dips, but at the same time, you don't want to go too thick. So you kind of have to just keep checking your reflection in the light and stuff just to make sure that you cover all angles, but it's not too thick. So once I have that done, I do not cure that layer. I just grab my dotting tool and I am going to do a line of dots all down the side like so, and then I'm just going to do a secondary line with the darker pink color. So that is my initial part of the design, but this is where I just kind of sit and wait and watch it bloom a little bit. When I'm happy with it, then I stick it into the lamp. So this is onto the nail number 2. So with blooming gel, you always work one nail at a time or else it will just bloom too much. So while that first one is in the lamp, I'm going to do the second one. So I'm just painting on my layer of blooming gel here and I'm doing the same thing, just going in an opposite direction on the other nail up along the tip of the nail here. And I'm starting off with Lotus Fever from Madame Glam there, and then I'm also going to go in with the Gel Bottles Miami directly over that baby pink. So I haven't cured that first layer of pink, and with the darker layer I'm going straight in on top of it. So again, once I'm happy with how it looks, I will pop that into the lamp to cure. So I'm just on the last nail here. This is the last blooming gel design, and then I'm going to show you the next step. So if you made it this far, thank you so much, and please consider hitting the subscribe button and comment down below if you have any questions at all. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But the next part of the design is the Born Pretty metallic painting gel. So I'm just grabbing my liner brush and drawing abstract lines from all sides of the nails. I didn't really plan this part. I just did the blooming gel first and then went in where I decided I wanted the chrome to go. So this definitely adds another bit of depth to the design. The silver goes so well with the really pretty pink. So yeah, I really like this, and this gel is so nice to work with as well. I just love painting with it. So again, I will leave that discount code for Born Pretty down below, and I also have a discount code for Madame Glam, so I will be sure to link the 2 of them in the description box. So next up, I'm going to grab the Gel Bottle Inks #bling, and this is a total full coverage leafy glitter, and it's silver. So I always feel like when you do little dots like this on any nail design, it almost looks like bling. It almost looks like you're adding in little crystals, and that is the effect I was totally going for here. So in amongst that blooming design, I was just putting a perfect little round dot in each one, just to give the effect of little tiny crystals. And I think it really does. It's such a good hack, really, if you don't want to put on bling but you want to look like you have a little bit of bling on. A full coverage glitter like that will do the job for you. So I'm just going to add these onto a few of the nails, not all of them. I think I added them onto the 3 nails, but yeah, I really love again that this gave it another bit of dimension too. So this is hashtag bling from the Gel Bottle Ink, and yeah, it's one of my all-time favorite glitters. And this is how the nails turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.